Hi guys and welcome to another review of V-Cars. This is the Land Rover Range Rover Evo. When this car was launched, it was priced around 57 lakh in the Indian market. This car offers you a mileage of 13 km per liter and gets a 2190cc engine, which is quite good. And the mileage also is quite good for a car of this price and this size. And this car is the best looking car in its segment according to me, and it's nice, small and compact to drive it on Indian roads. And welcome to another review of V-Cars. This is the Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. Straight away we are going to be opening the engine bay of this vehicle. Gets hydraulic struts, insulation right there, so it says Land Rover right there. So this engine offers you 2100, it's a 2100cc engine, and it offers you a mileage of 13 km per liter, which is quite good for a high-end car. It gets cuts and creases on the bonnet as well. It's Range Rover written boldly on the bonnet. It says Land Rover as well. And these grills look fabulous. They have inserts here for the air intake and intake. So it gets projector headlamps. And these are the fog lamps of the vehicle. It gets LED DRLs as well, but halogen indicators. Same as the case here. It gets headlamp washers too. The car looks absolutely nice in this particular color. So it's a dual tone color, the black car and a white roof, and the red seats. It's amazing. It gets front parking sensors as well. Those are the front parking sensors. And gets a reverse, and it gets reverse parking sensors and a reverse parking camera too. Dual tone bumpers. The bumper looks quite aggressive. So it gets cuts and creases on the side of the car as well. So this design is actually there in other Range Rover cars as well. It's quite similar. So these are absolutely amazing alloy wheels. These are 18 inches. I absolutely love the design of them. It's absolutely nice. So it gets air intakes here, air vents right there, and they are fake. They are not functional. Gets LED indicators on the mirror too. Request sensor on all four sides. Okay, so this is also a 18-inch tire. The rear tire is also 18-inch. This is the rear fog lamp. It gets rear fog lamp as well. I just love this roof. It gets a moon roof, no sunroof. So it gets a rear wiper, and it's placed over here. So that's the case in most of the Land Rover cars, except the Discovery, the newer ones, the new Discovery. The boot space is quite decent. It gets a 12-volt charging socket right there and a light placement there. Okay, so it gets a 18-inch spare wheel as well. You get hooks here. And the boot lip is flat, so you can easily store luggage and do not harm the body of the car. So you get a handle here to close the boot. That's the reverse parking camera. It says Evoque SD4 right there. I just love the design language of this car. It's just absolutely amazing. I just love it, and this color especially, it's absolutely amazing. Okay, let's get inside the rear. The doors open wide enough. This car gets Meridian sound system. The Meridian sound system is absolutely nice. I'll come to that in a bit. So it gets red and black interiors, which match the color of this car. So it gets red treatment over here as well, and red stitching over here on the handle. The doors open wide enough, but the size of the window is quite small. Okay, let's get inside. It's not that low, it's not that high, it's proper to get in and get outside. It gets slightly scooped out seat backs. It says Evoque right there. 2 AC vents for the rear passengers and some storage space right there. You get a armrest right there with 2 cup holders and some storage space. I just love these red and black seats. The feel is absolutely amazing. So it gets 3 height adjustable headrests. Meridian sound system, as I said before. It gets a huge moon roof, which gives the cabin an airy feeling, which is absolutely amazing. The moon roof is the best part in this car. The legroom is quite decent. The headroom is also quite decent. It's quite nice for me. So it gets height adjustable seat belts as well. I just love these seats. They are absolutely amazing. Okay, let's get in the front seat. It gets red stitching right there, and it gets door pockets there. I just love these seats. Okay, so these seats get 60-40 split. That's the button. You press it and you can fold the seat and access the boot. That's quite nice. The front doors open wide enough. Meridian sound system. It says right there. So Meridian sound system is actually there in other Land Rover cars as well. So you can unlock all lock and unlock all doors from the co-passenger side as well. So you get a handle right there with red stitching, and you get a door pocket too. You get electrically adjustable front seats, both front seats, with lumbar support as well. It gets airbag over there as well, which is very nice. You get a storage space there, which is quite hard to access, and this is actually, there's one LED light which is present inside, and you can change the color as well. That's the ambient lighting. That's absolutely phenomenal. Okay, let's close the door. You get 3 speakers on the front door, 1, 2 and 3. The sound quality is absolutely amazing. I just love the design language of this car. It's the best looking car in its segment. Okay, so these switches right here are for the windows and for the exterior rear view mirror. And it gets memory function for the driver side seat, and you can save up to 3 people setting. I just love the design of this mirror. The shape, it's nice, it's quite nice. So you get electrically adjustable seats. Both the front seats are electrically adjustable. You get some buttons over here. This button over here is to open the boot. No electrically openable boot. The interior looks absolutely nice. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's turn on the car real quick. That's the engine start stop button. It does a full swipe up. That's absolutely nice. I just love the red seats. Why am I repeating myself? So it gets a 3-spoke steering wheel. These buttons right here is to change the track or to increase or decrease the volume. This is to answer or decline a call when your phone is connected, and this is the voice assistant. So this is for the cruise control, and there is one button right there to cancel the cruise control as well. Yeah, that's the cancel button. These buttons right here is to browse through information in the multi-information display on the instrument cluster. That's quite nice. This lever right here is for the headlamps. It gets automatic headlamps, and it gets front and rear fog lamp as well. It gets automatic wipers as well. Okay, so this button right here is used to browse information in the multi-information display over there. So it gives you date, time, trip data, distance to empty, etc. So the instrument cluster looks absolutely nice. So once I press this OK, I can browse the drive features, trip data, instrument display and vehicle setup. That's quite cool. This lever right here is for the wiper. Let's use the wiper right away. Lot of spray on offer. It cleans the windscreen in no time. So this car gets paddle shifters as well. Yeah, those are the paddle shifters. Absolutely nice. The feel of the paddle shifter, the quality is absolutely nice. It's quite premium. It gets red stitching around the dash. And the most unique thing is the gear selector. Let me show you. For that I need to turn off the car. So whenever I turn off the car, it says Land Rover right there, and over here too. Okay, so let's turn on the car. Just observe this. I start the car. That's so nice. That's there in most of the Land Rover cars, and it's there in Jaguar cars as well. That's absolutely nice. So you can get into reverse easily. It gets a reverse parking camera with the adaptive guidelines. And whenever I engage the park, it automatically engages the hand gear. I mean the handbrake. That's so smart. So this is the drive. To get into sport mode, you need to press this and then turn it, and then only you will be able to use the paddle shifters. You can actually use the paddle shifters when you are in drive as well. That's so simple. Okay, so this is for the different terrain modes. So this is for grass, gravel or snow. This is for mud and ruts, and this is for sand. So it actually shows which mode you are in currently over there whenever I change it. It shows a Range Rover Evoque right there, which looks absolutely nice. The attention to detail is amazing. Let me show you. Grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts and sand. That's really cool. This button right here is for the downhill assist, and this is to turn on and off the traction control. This is the electronic parking brake. And these controls right here is for the air conditioning system. It gets dual zone air conditioning system, which is absolutely amazing. It's quite powerful. The air conditioning system is quite powerful. So this is the infotainment system. It gets Bluetooth connectivity, and it gets navigation as well. And you can browse the various data. And as I said before, it gets for ambient lighting also. You can change the color of the ambient lighting. These are the different colors of the ambient lighting. And the ambient lighting glows only over here. See, it's red right now. You can increase the brightness as well, increase or decrease the brightness as well. And it gets Bluetooth connectivity too. And once you go to extra features and go to 4x4, it gives you the entire data whenever you're off-roading. That's really cool. And it gets eco data and cameras as well. It gets a touchscreen unit. Okay, so you get chrome treatment light right there. It's absolutely amazing. And this opens like this, and you get 2 cup holders here and some storage space here. This is a cigarette lighter. Let's close this. Get sliding front center armrest. It's quite big, actually not that big. It gets a 12 volt charging socket right there, aux port and a USB port. The glove box is quite big, actually not that big but average. So as I said before, it gets a moonroof, so the glass won't open, only the sunshade, you can open it or close it. It gets one touch operable sunshade and one touch down automatic windows as well for all 4 sides. So this car gets airbags everywhere. It gets airbags on top and on the side. It gets height adjustable seat belts too. You get a sunglass holder right there. And these are, you can actually turn on the lights just by a touch. So I just touch it and it's on, same as the case here. That's so nice. So you get light placement at the rear as well. you get a mirror here along with the light, same as the case here. Mirror with the light. It gets auto dimming inside rear view mirror. The steering feels nice to hold. It's quite not that light, but it's nice. It's manageable. And usually in other cars, to open the hood, there's a lever right there, but that's not the case in this car. You need to open the lever. You need to open the bonnet from there. The lever is placed right there. Yeah, that's the lever. So the lever is right there. It says Range Rover written in block on the steering wheel, which is absolutely amazing. Let's do the audio test right away. That's absolutely nice. So let's turn off the car. So this car gets puddle lamps as well over here. Yeah, that's the puddle lamp, and it displays the logo of the car over there. Not the Land Rover logo, but the design of the car. So overall, this is a fantastic car. It looks amazing. It feels amazing. I especially love the red seats. It's really nice. It gets body cladding right there. So overall, this is a fantastic car. I just love it. It's easy to drive, not bulky, small, compact. It's perfect for Indian roads. So if you're looking for a high-end car, premium high-end car, a small one, so this is the perfect car. This or the Mini Cooper Countryman, they are absolutely amazing. These high-end cars are perfect for Indian roads. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.